what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Maritza. I do vlogs, lifestyle videos, also videos about fashion and home decor. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so for today's video, I have been actually meaning to film this for such a long time, and this is my home decor haul. I had actually gone to Homegoods a while back, and I actually just went to Hobby Lobby today. So you will actually see that vlog first before this video. And I did get some home decor for like Halloween and just things that I wanted to change here in my home as far as like for home decor. And yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys because it's just been a long time coming, and I know you guys like to see like my home decor videos and things like that, and I definitely wanted to get this video out for you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy. If you guys are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the bell. That way you guys get notified every time I do upload. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I did go to Hobby Lobby, and I only got a few things from there. And can you guys take a guess of what I got? You probably can just by looking at these here. So I did go to get these beautiful hydrangeas, and I got a lot of them because I do want to decorate our dining table using these I can't even pronounce it, hydrangeas, or however you pronounce them, but they are so pretty. They're just white. And I am gonna be filming the decorate with me, so just stay tuned for that, using these beautiful flowers. I just love these. They are so pretty and white, and as you guys know, I love white. I love anything white. If you guys have seen my home videos and all of that, I have so much white here in my house, which is crazy because I have a toddler, but I just can't help it. I love white. So yeah, I got these. And the last thing that I got from Hobby Lobby was these tea light candles, and they are floating candles, which I also want to use as part of my decor. So you guys will see that in the decorate with me video. But yeah, I just got these, and they are just white, and then they light up when they are in the water. So yep. So that was everything that I got from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from Homegoods. So some of these items are from Dollar Tree and Target also. So let me just show you. Huge bag. So this is the Homegoods bag. And I just put everything else in here, like everything that I got from Dollar Tree and also Target. So everything is in here. So this first thing that I'm going to show you guys, I actually have already used. I couldn't wait to use it. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. And this is actually my first Raid Done item, or actually one of them, because I actually got another one from Homegoods. So this one was from Homegoods, and it's just an ice cream bowl. And it's so pretty because it has the pink inside. I just fell in love with it, and I had to have it when I saw it. But yeah, it is so pretty. Let me just put it up closer for you guys. And if you guys hear that, that is the wind. It's super windy where I live, so I'm sorry if you guys do hear that. So yeah, but this is how it looks, and it's just so pretty, and I just love how it has the pink inside. And yep, you guys can see there. I believe this one was $4.99. And like I mentioned to you guys, I did get it from Homegoods. So if you guys are interested in this one, they might still have it since it hasn't been too long that I actually bought this one. So yeah, this was one of the items that I got from Homegoods, and I just love how it says ice cream and then the pink inside. So I'm just gonna grab from my bag and then just let you guys know where I got that item and where it's from. So I did also get these very pretty kitchen towels, and I just really love them. I love how it's just white and silver. It will definitely go with my house and the colors that I have here. And it just says our spooky pumpkin patch, and then it has the pumpkins right there, and then it also has the pumpkins right over here on the bag. So yeah, it's a set of 2. And these I actually got from Burlington a couple of days ago because I did actually go to Burlington also. So yeah, this haul is pretty much from everywhere. So yeah, these are super cute, and I thought it was perfect for Halloween and the fall season. So, and these were $5.99 from Burlington. So let me just give you a closer look of them. So pretty. All right, and so this next item I also got from Homegoods, and I did pick these up, and these are just taper candles, and they were in a set of 2. I do want to exchange the ones that I have on my coffee table because actually one broke. My son actually broke it, so I did want to exchange it for a new one, and so I just got these, and these were $3 at Homegoods. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys the next item, and this was also from Homegoods. So this is the next thing that I got from Homegoods, and it was just this really cute pumpkin that says trick or treat, and it's just black and white, and I just really fell in love with it. I just thought it was really cute because of the black and the white and trick or treat, so it's perfect for Halloween, and it will definitely go with my house colors. So yeah, I thought it was really pretty, and that's just the back of it. And for this, and so this one was $5.99. And the colors that I'm going for to decorate for like Halloween is basically, you know, silver, black, and white. So everything that I got, you will see that is pretty much those colors, and everything that I've already had for Halloween is pretty much those colors also. So this next item is also from HomeGoods. And they did wrap all of the ceramic things, you know, in paper, but on some of the things I already took out, as you guys saw. And so this is what I got also from HomeGoods. I thought they were so cute, guys, because of, like, you know, the black and the white, and it says boo. It has the little ghost everywhere right there, and they are just so cute. I really fell in love with these when I saw them, and I couldn't pass them, and I honestly don't even know what they are for. It's like a big cup, but I can also use it as a bowl for like my cereal or something like that, because I do like to, you know, eat cereals in the morning for breakfast. So I thought that was something that I can use them for. But they are so cute, and these were $7.99. So I thought that was a good deal because it came with 2. So yeah, I got these. The next thing I got from HomeGoods was this very cute basket, and I just thought it was perfect for Halloween. And it just has kind of like the spider web style on the bottom here. And this one was $3, so I thought that was such a good deal. Or you know what, I think I got this one at Target. So this one actually wasn't from HomeGoods, it was from Target, because this sticker reminds me of the dollar spot from Target. And so this one was $3. So yeah, that's where I got it. So it's just a web basket, which is super cute. So this piece I also got from HomeGoods, but this one actually really came apart. It had this ribbon wrapped around, but it actually came apart. So yeah, and then it has this whisk that says mix on there. And this one says just beat it. So I did need one of these bowls to mix and stuff like that. So I thought this was a good deal. And if you guys have gone to HomeGoods lately, you guys probably have seen this. They have a lot of different styles that say different things and all of that. And it's also from the Rae Dunn collection. So yeah, these are my 2 first pieces from the Rae Dunn collection. I hadn't gotten anything else before, and I'm just super excited to have these and to actually use these. All right, and so the last item that I got from HomeGoods was this little cute ghost, and I just thought it was really cute for Halloween, and this one was $1.98. And I can also add it like a tea light candle, and it would just really look cute when I light it up and all of that. So yeah, I thought this was really cute, and I just love how it's white. So these next few things that I'm gonna show you guys are from Dollar Tree. So I just picked up a few things from there, and here is the bag. So the first thing I got from Dollar Tree was this really cute Decor spider, and I just thought it was super cute for decor. So this was $1, and yeah, that's just how it looks. It has the little cute eyes, so cute. The next thing I got from Dollar Tree was this little cute Decor ghost, and this is super cute because it actually lights up. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but the eyes do actually light up. So I thought it was really cute for Halloween, and it was just $1, so can't beat the price. But yeah, that's just how this one looks. And so these were actually the last thing that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and they're just really cute for decor, and I can't wait to go ahead and decorate with them. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of this haul, guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this haul video, and let me know what was your favorite item that I got. So let me know in the comment section down below. And I am sorry about this wind, guys. It is super crazy over here, once again, where I live. And let me know if you guys actually are ready for Halloween. If you have your baby's costume, let me know in the comment section down below what they actually are gonna be. I do need ideas for my son. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.